just doing a session, and one of the questions that came out was, how do you deal with a team member that is not performing? I mean, they are really not performing and their work is affecting the rest of the team. How do you deal with this team member? And I think the first thing is to understand why. Before you ask how, you need to understand why. Otherwise, you'll be treating symptoms and the disease will be growing within. And so it's important to find out, why is this person not performing? Is it that they are frustrated? Because some people are frustrated because they feel they are, they are passed over. Whenever there's an opportunity, they are passed over. Whenever there's a promotion, they are passed over. And so there's that frustration that causes them not to perform as they should. Some people are just not motivated. Either they do not feel that the salary is commensurate with the effort that they are putting in, or they don't feel there's space to grow, and so they are not motivated to work. Some people are just bored. Probably they have been at that place, they have been at that job for a long time, doing the same thing, and they are bored with the routine, and this is affecting their output. Some people really, it's just they feel that they are not adding value. They don't see how their work is important to the big picture. And so whether they work or not, they feel it really doesn't matter. So that can affect their productivity. Some people are just in the wrong place. Maybe they're in that job because that's what they studied and that's what they applied for, but their interest is elsewhere. It is really elsewhere. It's not here. So they are here because it's what they studied, and really they don't have the zeal and the passion for that thing. Some people are just really lazy. In all honesty, some people are lazy, and either they procrastinate, they are lazy, and so really trying to deal with that thing. Some people really are, sometimes it's a competence skill. Sometimes some people are not competent. Yes, they studied or somehow they got into the job, but they're not competent. They're not competent. Some people, it's an issue of work ethics. They were not properly schooled in work ethics, so that affects their productivity. So it's really knowing what exactly is the problem. If you can diagnose the problem, then you know what to do. If, for example, it's frustration, someone feels they are looked over, you need to know what gives you this impression. What makes you think you should have been promoted instead of that person, that person. As you have these discussions, then you can feel, it might actually be true that they have been looked over, or it might be they have been looked over